ESCP Business School, we see real estate as an industry of growing interest for business students. Given the exponential demand that we receive for real estate topics, we offer a transversal opportunity for the students to engage with the industry. The Real Estate Association, known as REAS, it's the hub in which industry professionals and students come together to interact outside of the classroom.
So during the academic year, we have hosted presential events with top-level executives from top-tier companies. The real estate students at ESCP Business School have a passion for a sector and thus want to uncover the different facets within the industry. For this reason, REAS offers opportunities for students to uncover them at 360 degrees.
So with all COVID protocols in order, REAS gave me the chance to listen and interact with seasoned professionals from the real estate industry. So their insights allowed me to better understand the potential paths that are to follow my educational journey here at ESCP. I can say that my experience both on the team and in the audience has been complementary to my master's and provided me with many opportunities for growth.
So to offer a hands-on learning, the Real Estate Association provides the students with interactive opportunities such as case studies. So through these initiatives, for example, students have been provided with a real case study in order to challenge themselves with a real problem, but also to experience how to manage and how to deal with such a project.
Our goal is to go beyond being spectators of the industry, but to be actors within it. For this reason, we are leveraging our resources, network and reputation in order to set up and offer the most disruptive and innovative project.